Hello, my name is Nabil Fatur Rahman. I want to share my PowerPoint Project 1 presentation English Literature and with name 33240064 and the title Imagery and Plot Twist. Imagery. The first definition of imagery. Imagery is language that appeals to the sentence sight, sound, smell, taste, touch, and or movement to create a vivid pictures or experience in the reader mind. According to article, imagery is one of the various techniques used to make their experience more powerful, to active their sense organs and perceive the message and intended by poets or other readers. Type of imagery include visual, auditory, olfactorial, tactical, gustatory, kinesthetic, and movement. And the second, explain for literary works. In the poem by William Wordsworth, I wanted lonely as a colt. The poets use golden daffodils, fluttering and dancing in the breeze, to evoke a visual movement sensation. In the article analysis, the soundtext of William Shakespeare's The Wither in the diverse visual, auditory, olfactory, tactile, thermal imagery in the sentence. You may choose a factor example from a novel or short story. And the third, significance of imagery in literature. Imagery helps the reader to experience rather than just read. In adjusts the sentence, evokes emotion and creates atmosphere. For example, the tops of tears, a quiver with the spiraling laugh in the story of an hour gives hope and renewal. Imagery can support them, theme, and emotion tone. Dark, cold imagery may convey despair. Bright, warm imagery may convey hope. Repeated or sentient imagery can help unify a text's deepen meaning. Images of water, mirror desserts, sea guided, look for patterns, and analysis. For teaching or analysis, the article, the use of imaginary and its significance argues that imageries makes any formal, artistic, functional, applies readers' perception power by arousing their interest and activities their sentence. And the four, slide structure suggestion. Slide 1, title, imagery. Slide 2, definition plus key types, visual, auditory. Slide 3, example, show passage code and plus innovative type of imagery. And the fourth, analysis how imagery function in the example, tone, theme, character. And slide 5, significant, why imagery matters in the literature overall. And slide 6, your own short examples, ask audience, what sense does this evoke? And the 7, summary for imagery. And then I want to explain about the plot twist. The first definition of plot twist. A plot twist is a technique in narrative works, novel, short stories, films that introduce a radical change in the direction or expectation outcome of the plot. More significant, if often reframes the branding event, surprise the reader, and focus a reinterpretation of what came before. A journal article about reader response described how plot twists increase interest and carousing among readers of mysterious stories. 2. Example from literary works. The short story author O. Henry is well known for sudden endings or plot twists. For example, The Gift of the Magi and The Last Leaf. An article examines how his use of irony, vernacular language, narrative device, and surprise endings makes his plot twist effective. In the study, analyzes plot twist as a room for woman's voice on the story of an hour by Kate Copin and Lamb to Stagger by Ronald Dahl. The twist serves to give voice the female character. You may choose an additional example from your reading. Twist in a novel you have studied describe how the twist changed the reader expectation. The third significance of plot twists in the literature. A plot twist can enhance enjoyment by surprising the reader. It complex them to rating year even, which increases interest. For example, reader response research shows plot twist boosts reading interest. It can receive meaning. The twist can reconnect to less character motivation, themes, or moral implication. For example, a story appears straightforward, but the twist reveals hidden cruelty or truth. It can serve thematic or ideology function. In the feminine study above, the twist is used to give space for women's voice, which were surprised. 4. Slide structure suggestion. Slide 1 title plot twist and slide 2 definition plus characteristic of a good twist. And the slide 3 example describe the work plus identify where the twist happens plus its effect. And slide 4 analysis what does the twist change character, theme, rather perfection. And slide 5 significant why others use twist how it affect the reader. And the six, your own story main cast or ask audience what would you expect versus what happens. And slide 7, summary for plot twist. Comparison, reflection. Briefly compare the two devices, imagery versus plot twist. Imagery, apple to sentence builds atmospheres, emotion, meaning. And plot twist, apple to surprise, structures, change meaning, reader expectation. Reflections for your theme, how does literature device help moving forward together? You could tie it to your easy theme, moving forward together towards Golden Indonesia 2045 if you want a local or Indonesian angel. Encourage audience to identify imagery and plot twists in their reading and effect on why others chose them. And this is biography references, and I get references for here. And thank you very much. And bye bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nabil Fatur Rahman with name 33240064. And today I want to share my PowerPoint Project 2 presentation English Literature. Poetry Analysis Robert Frost. A out 2009 61 extrinsic elements historical context public head during World War I and the risk of industrialization in rural New England. Scholars note the poem reflects the harsh relations of child labor, the practice of rural life. Source: Carver, Jerry S. Robert Frost among his poem literature combining M.C. Farhan and C.O. 109 99. Biographical process life in Hampshire, familiar with farm life and sawmill work, the boys unsciated and just inside reported near Ford's homes. Mayer's Robert Frost, a biography 109/96. And two, symbolism and meaning. Little, less, nothing. And that isn't it. The sound symbolizes modern technologies. In the indifference, the boy's life is cut short by progress and three imagery, visual. The bus saw snarled and read in the yard. Auditory, snarled and read. Imitators and magicians' violences. These images build tension and realism, contrasting human innocence with mechanical brutality. Criticism, this Carson, Mark, Robert Frost, and Problem of Sympathy. New England Cruelty 109/97. And B. Stopping by woods on a snowing evening 109/23. The first, extrinsic elements, social or historical, written after Frost a long struggle for literary recognition reflects early 20th century American individualism and Dutch biographic. Frost stated the poem was written after an all-night season on Source Thompson's losses Robert Frost, the years of Trump's 150 until 130 hold Reinhardt 116 and two symbols and meaning. Whose was dash are I think I know. Ownership versus solitude. And meals to go before I sleep. Life's obligation before death or rest. Analysis led them at work. See the poetry of Robert Frost 109 60 69. And three, imagery. Visual. The words fill up the snow. Auditory. The only other sounds the sweep or of easy wine and downy flake. Creates tranquil, reflecting mood, peaceful yet filled with inner conflict, the pull between rest and responsibility. And C, the route not taken 10960. Extrinsic element historical post WWI under 30 and American emphasis on individual choice. Biographical inspired by Frost's works with poet Edward Thomas in England, Thomas often regret choices afterward. Thomson 117. Symbolism and meaning. Two roads different in a yellow wood. Symbolism of life choice. I took the one less traveled by. Freedom and self-definition. Thought Frost identity irony, but roads were about the same. 3. Imagery. Visual. Yellow mood. Evokes autumn engine decision time. Tactical, bend in the undergrowth suggests difficulty of path. The imagery shapes a complicated tone about discussion on consequence. Scholarship, Pritchard, William H. Frost, a literary life reconsidered Oxford, UP, 109 84. Short story analysis, The Lottery by Shirley Jackson, 109 48. A. Intrinsic elements. First, plot structure. With textual evidence, exposition, peaceful June morning, villagers gather. The morning of June 27 was clear and sunny. Racing action, drawing slips, station builds. Climax, TC Hutchins draw the marker paper. It isn't fire, it isn't right. Falling action, villagers pick up stones. Resolution, thesis is torn out to death. Ritual complete. Diagram references Hyman, Stanley Edgar, The Magic of Shirley Jackson, Farras Saurus, and Giroud's 109 79. Two character. Tessie Hutchinson, intellectually casual, later proites it isn't fair, shows individual versus conformity. Mr. Summers, leader of the ritual repressions tradition auditory. Old man Warner, there's always been a lottery. Blind conversation, criticism, wither gaily, the surprism in the Rotary Journal of American Studies for 20X 109 94. B. Extract elements, social context, post WWAA America, criticism of conformity and violence hidden in ordinary life, culture context, small town traditional versus moral audiences reflects fear of mob mentality, Mr. Current era. Historical published 109 48 in the New Yorker Public Author show how realistic the description life. Source consequences Peter, a reading of Shirley Jackson's The Lottery New Orleans Review 109 85. C. Returning in your own words, you can summarizing like this in your own party. In a quiet village, residents gather yearly for a lottery that seems harmless of others. When the draw ends, this Hawkins is selected and the village stone her to death. The shocking ending exposed how communicated etched currently under the guise of tradition. And thank you very much for your attention. And this is my references. And the first, Cameron J.S. Robert Frost among his poems, a literary companion MC Farhan 109.99, and the second, Thomson L. Robert Frost, The Year of Trimble 109.50 until 138, Holt 109.70, and the third, Pitch Hart W.A. Force Literature Life reconsidered Oxford UP 109.85, 84, and the four Hyman S.A. at the Magic of Shirley Jackson Farhar Stars and Giro's 109.79, and the five Kosenko P. A reading of History Jackson, the Rotary New Orleans Review 109.85, and the last with the G. The Supervision of Ritual, the Rotary Journal of American Students 109.94. Yeah, that's all for me. Thank you.